A high-tech machine is like a mini factory that works day and night. It needs a complex system for diagnostics and monitoring to run its hardware. These machines can generate thousands of completely different data parameters per minute. As a result, legacy standalone toolkits require engineers to be present on-site. And that's a problem. Imagine the amount of time and energy an engineer from the US or Europe needs to invest to collect data from a machine in Asia. By the time the engineer returns and analyzes the data, it's already outdated and unusable. So why do manufacturers choose Strypes? With our predictive maintenance and remote diagnostics software services, we perform health monitoring and failure prediction for hundreds of complex hardware operating 24/7 around the world. Together with our clients, we create a platform and a framework to maintain their systems remotely. With our prediction model, we analyze the data from the hardware and create customizable reports. Strypes' scalable architecture is based on microservices, data fetching, and visualization models. It helps us create flexible solutions for unforeseen circumstances. With Strypes' smart application services, our clients can operate their machines remotely, 24/7. It gives freedom to plan, schedule, and run the logistics within a specific time frame. Strypes. Smart solutions that create business impact.